Here's the science. If warm, humid air in the cabin meets the cooler surface of a window in winter, condensation will form on the glass. Your cottage is unheated, you say? Well, it could be that the sun passively heated your cottage while you weren't there. However, the more likely culprit is you. The condensation could well be the after effect of the last time you were at the cottage, when you turned on the heat, cooked, showered, drew breath, all of the things that create humidity. Regardless of how that humidity formed, the solution is the same. Create some ventilation in the building. This is tricky in winter because anything that allows air inside will also potentially let the animals in, especially the mice. Here are a few suggestions. If your chimney is covered by a pest screen, you could open the damper. You could consider cracking a window or two and covering that window with hardware cloth. You could install new openings, such as a fresh air intake duct. If you have reliable power, a small fan that is rated for continuous use or triggered by a humidistat is also a good alternative. Deep breaths. This is definitely a problem that is not too tricky to solve.